I got some new lights, photography lights from Neewer that are pretty cool. They're powered by USB. God, it's really dark, you can barely see. Well, I guess that's a good thing, because, you know, you just plug it in, right, to the wall, and then you just turn it on. Boom, look at how bright that is. Ooh, that is bright. Let us dim that. That's all the way dim. All the way bright. Dimming it back down, just so you can see. And there's this tab here, which I believe this is called a diffuser. And you can pull that out and you just get the straight up LEDs. But with the diffuser, it looks nicer. Or would if I would put the diffuser in correctly. There we go. So just, it diffuses the light a lot better. That's not all it comes with. It comes with the second light. Does the same thing as the first one. It comes with these little filters. I'm gonna turn this light off real quick. In the little pouch, you get a red one, a red one, a yellow one, a yellow one, and then 2 blue ones. So that way you get several different colors. Here, let me turn it back on so you can see the colors. There you go. And then in order to just you know, replace that, you just slot it in the tab. So let's put in the yellow light here. Make everything nice and yellowy. If I can get it in there, maybe. There we go. Nice and yellow. You can see a nice yellow light there. If I take the blue one and set it on top of the yellow one, then you get a green light. You set the red on top of it, you get an orange light. Or if you just take out the yellow one and replace it with all the others, you get those lights. Pretty self-explanatory. I believe this cost me, this was 32 bucks for both of these. It comes with these little, I'm gonna turn this back on again, dim it down, just to add some light into the scene so you can actually see. It comes with these little tripod thingies, which just plop out like this. Whoa, okay. This part goes on the bottom apparently, but you can set it up here, which is probably a smarter thing to do. And I believe, yeah, this extends. Not sure if that's all it extends to. That might be. Yeah, I think that's all it extends to. Still, good little length. And then you can just set that on top of it. One of them. Or on to any tripod thing, because it does have the tripod mount right there. Just screw it in. Screws in nice and tight. And you can just set it down like that. That's not all it came with. It came with these, which are, I believe, mounts you want to put on top of it, so that way these make them bendable. So you take the mount, they look like this, then place it onto the tripod. Pull out the other one, because I haven't set up this one on the tripod yet. And you can just take that out, unscrew it off of there. Screw it onto here. Oh, do not drop the light. Okay, I need a bigger workspace. Right, and then what is this? Where is it screwing from? Screw here. There's a little screw hole. Screw it on. And there you go. You have an adjustable. Move it up and down. Tighten it up if you want to. So it's pretty cool. This is from Neewer again. I'll leave a link to it on Amazon if you want to pick it up. Now the cool thing about these lights is right now I'm powering this one through a brick here because it's USB, but you can power on the go using a portable battery pack. And to show that, I grabbed my wallet. So if you didn't see the last video, my wallet, I just dropped my lights. Yay. Anyways, they should be fine. They can take hits. They're, you know, little durable things. Grab my wallet, power it on, like so, and bam! Ooh, that is bright. I have no idea how long these can be powered for using this wallet. This is just a 5 volt, 22 milliamp hour. So, probably not forever. But yeah, these lights are pretty cool. 32 bucks, definitely recommend them. I'll give you a little sample of how they make everything look better. So here we go. Anyways, that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you for watching. My name has been Austin, or Super Mega Smith, and yeah, I'll see you later. Goodbye!